Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you This Way Home. As we're gearing up for our veteran celebration, one of the main characters in this book is a veteran, so I thought that would be a great tie-in. So in this book, our main character Elijah knows one thing better than anybody else: basketball. He loves the predictability of basketball. He knows that if him and his best friend do everything that they're supposed to do on the court, that they're bound to win. However, one thing dramatically changes that for them. The local gang in their area has asked them to sport their colors at their next big basketball game. The boys stand up against the gang and refuse to do it, but at a high cost. So now all of a sudden Elijah's life has dramatically changed. He must use his fear, anger, and aggression to help save his neighborhood. So he turns to the help of a local veteran and his daughter. This story is about reclaiming one's life and about how courage and hope can sometimes be the best weapon of all. So this is This Way Home. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.